Well, what's a biome? A biome is a geographical area that is very large in size. Each of these geographical areas has certain groups of animals and plants that are present with it. They are able to thrive there due to their ability to adapt in that particular type of environment. The biomes are classified in various ways, but the most important are aquatic, desert, forest, tundra, and grasslands.
The desert biome is one that is very hot and dry. They are found at the lower latitudes between the Tropic of Cancer and the Tropic of Capricorn. Rains occur often which evaporates any type of moisture that is typically going to develop in them. The heat is very dry and that makes it hard for too many types of plants or animals to be able to survive in such biomes. Approximately 20% of Earth falls into this category. Some of the desert biomes are extremely large. For example, the Sahara Desert in Africa is more than 3.5 million square miles in size. Others are extremely dry.
Hello, I'm going to talk about the desert. Desert is very difficult to live because drastic changes are very dangerous for humans to live there because days are too hot and nights are extremely cold. So there live some animals like spiders, porcupines, snakes, but there live big animals too, like camels.
And this is a picture of a cactus. Cactus is the plant that inhabits the desert. The design in its leaves makes to retain water and handle temperature changes. One of the most famous deserts is the Death Valley in United States. It's so large that it stretches across 3 states, Arizona, Nevada, and California. It has approximately 25 square kilometers only sand, although the world's largest desert is the Sahara in Africa.
Well, now I'm talking about the coral reef biomes. Some people assume that the coral reef is part of the ocean. Even though they are found in the ocean, they are not part of it. A coral reef biome is found in a shallow area of clear water in the ocean. The temperature of this biome is sometimes 70 or 85 degrees. The coral reef biomes are very common. You can find it in the eastern coast of Africa, the southern coast of India, the coast of Australia, the Red Sea, along the coast of Brazil, Florida, and United States. But the largest coral reef biome in the world is found in the north of Australia. It is called the Great Barrier Reef, and the size of this coral extends over 1,200 miles. And either believe it or not, it's a great attraction for many tourists because this coral reef you can see it from the space.
Warm water temperatures are required for a coral reef biome to exist. That's why they are in the water that is shallow. In the deeper location of water, the sun is unable to shine due to the depths on it. With the shallow water through the sun can get to the bottom of it and warm all the area. The structure of the coral reef biome is very intriguing. You will find colonies of small animals living in these areas. However, when they die, there is a large structure and also hard structure that is made out of this limestone. And this can give a very interesting history of the environment that is getting through this. We also have to remember that the characteristics of a coral reef biome, it will depend if it is a hard or soft coral reef biome. There are 3 different types of coral reefs that are already identified. Frigging reefs are those found along the coastlines. They are along the shallow waters of the continental shelf. Also there are the barrier reefs. They actually create a barrier between the sea and the lagoon area. And the last one is the coral atolls, which are rings of coral. They are actually the remains of volcanoes under the water.